Hello everyone, welcome to the live session. And guys, today we are having a session on again a contour integration session is it. Okay, so guys, what we are going to do in today's session, we are going to discuss many previous year questions, okay, from NET and GATE exams. So I hope that the session will be helpful for all of you. Also guys, before this today's session, I have discussed like all the important things, all the important properties, formulas, steps, and the different types of contour integration based questions. Okay, so I hope that if you have watched the previous sessions which I have conducted before today's session, you all will have a clear idea about the general steps you all need to take to solve the contour integration based questions. Okay, also guys, let me tell you one more thing, that contour integration as a topic is very important topic. Okay, so we all can expect even more than one questions from the contour integration topic in our upcoming CSIR NET and GATE physics exams. So for both the exams, this topic is very important. That means why I'm telling you this thing, because every student should consider this topic like as the major topic of mathematical physics, and if you are going to consider it like that, then you are doing it very well, and you will be able to solve most of the questions from mathematical physics in your exam, because you know the right thing about the syllabus. Okay, that what are the topics which are very important and which you all should prepare. Very good morning Ankita, very good morning Shashank, very good morning Pavan, and very good morning everyone. So guys, now we are going to take some questions from the previous years, and let's have a look at this thing, that what kind of questions have been asked, what are the steps we need to take to solve those questions, and all the important discussion we will do in this session. Also guys, if you have watched the previous sessions which I have conducted on contour integration on this channel, and you are having any doubt in that, so you can even tell me about those things. Okay, like okay, at that point I am not getting that thing, so what we have discussed clear, so you can tell me about it and we are going to consider that. Clear? Very good morning Mehboob Alam. Now guys, let's start the discussion, but before that I would just take a little time to let you know about the Unacademy Plus subscription and the benefits of Unacademy Plus subscription. Because yeah, if you are someone who is preparing for upcoming CSIR NET physics exam or even for the GATE physics exam, these points which I'm going to tell you about the Plus subscription now will be helpful for all of you. Okay, so let me just tell you about these important points in the beginning. Just I will take a little time, and after that I'm just going to start the discussion about your important questions from previous years, because previous year questions provides us a very clear idea about the type of questions we can expect in our upcoming exams as well. Very good morning Priya, very good morning Mohammed Abushad. Now guys, yeah, so if you are someone who is going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use the referral code AnjaliALive. Why you will use this referral code guys? Because it will provide you the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. So if you want to take the 10% discount in the total subscription amount, you can use this referral code, and you need to write it as it is, AnjaliALive, in which Anjali, like A is capital, then A is again after Anjali there is one more A which is capital, then in live L is capital. Okay, so spelling will remain same, and you just need to write it as it is. After writing the referral code, just apply it and get the 10% discount at the same time after applying this referral code in the total subscription amount. After this guys, if I'm going to talk about the benefits of taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, so yeah, if you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to attend the well structured and the well planned courses for your best exam preparation for the exam. Along with this, weekly quizzes will be there, doubt clearing sessions, mock test, PDF of important notes, and recordings of the live classes will be available to you. So later on, if you want to watch the recordings, you can even watch the recordings. If you are not able to attend the live class any day and you are going to watch the recordings, that will be possible for you. Clear? So that you will not miss anything what we have discussed during the live class. You can cover up all the things by watching the recordings as well. If you will have any doubt in the recordings, when you are watching the recordings, you are having any doubt in any question, in any point, you can let us know about it, and in the doubt clearing session or in the upcoming sessions we all can talk about those important points. Also guys, once when you will take the subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your exam preparation. So I have told you about the referral code. Okay, this referral code you can use, or either if you know the other one, you can even use that one, but this one is also applicable. Clear? So any referral code which you know, you can use it, you can apply it and get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Okay, this one is also there. So even if you want to use this, you can even use this referral code or this one. Clear? Now next thing, guys, what are the steps to get the Unacademy Plus subscription? So when you are going to download the Unacademy learning app, step number 1 is download the Unacademy learning app. Okay, after downloading the app, okay, what will happen when you will just download it, when you will just log into the app? Okay, after this what will happen? After this, second step will be that you are going to log into the app and select your goal. If you are preparing for CSIR net exam, you will prepare or select your goal as CSIR UGC net. Clear? If you are preparing for CSIR net exam, you will select your goal as CSIR UGC net. After this guys, you will have this kind of format, okay, in the app, where there will be 3 lines at the corner. So click on these 3 lines, then you will get plus written there. Click on plus, then you will get subscription written there. Click on get subscription and follow the further steps. So when you will follow the further steps, you will get a place where you have to select the duration, for which duration you want to take the subscription. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, okay, or 24 months. So after that, you will also get a place to write the referral code, where you can write this referral code or apply it, okay, or even you can write this referral code and apply it and get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Clear? Next thing, these are the courses which have just started in January. Clear? So guys, if you want to attend the live classes of all these courses, you can take the plus subscription, okay, and these are the subscription amounts. Okay, this is for 3 months, this is for 6 months, oh, this one. Clear? So it is like not this one, 6 months, 12 months, this amount is there, 24 months, this is the subscription amount. Now you can just check it. You will even get these things in the learning app, okay, before taking the subscription. So you can see it is for CSIR UGC net category, and guys, it is like today, as we are taking this class today, so this amount is as per today. Clear? So after this referral code, I have told you the one AnjaliALive, that you can apply, or you can apply this one, okay, or even if you are having the credits in your app, you can even apply the credits, okay, up to 10% of the total subscription amount. Also guys, this Excel course for physical sciences has just recently started on 6th January. Clear? So if you want to like attend all these courses, you can even take the subscription now and attend the live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your exam. Okay, so if you think you need some guidance, you need regular classes, you can take the subscription. After this guys, there are special classes for which like I'm taking the classes in January. So now today, okay, at 10 AM after this class, we are having a special class, Be the Master of Classical Mechanics session 4. Clear? So which is like at 10 AM. And on these dates, like on 9th January, on 10th January, then again at 10 AM, you are having these special classes, okay, of classical mechanics. If you want to attend these special classes, these are the free live classes. Clear? So you will not have to pay for these classes. These are the free live classes. You just need to do the free registration for these classes. And how you will do the registration? So again, in the Unacademy learning app, when you will download the app, and you will just log in and select your goal as CSIR UGC net. After clicking on plus, clear, you will get the special classes category as well. So in the special classes, you can check this class there, Be the Master of Classical Mechanics session 4. Clear? When you will find this class there, just do the free registration for that and attend the live class at 10 AM today after this class. Okay. So guys, similarly on 9th January, 10th January, then 15th, then 16th, then 17th, and on these same dates, we are having a live class on this channel as well. The timing of this live class, as you can see, today we are having at 8:30 AM. So similarly, on these dates, here we will have the live class at 8:30 AM. Clear? Now guys, these are the important points, or you can say information I wanted to share with you. Clear? And I would say, if you are not attending these special classes till now, you should attend them so that you will not miss any of the important points. Clear? So guys, if you will have any doubt at any point, you can tell me about it. And yeah, now let's talk about our topic. Let's talk about some very important questions. Okay, because the topic for which we are doing the discussion in today's session is a very, 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 very important topic. Clear? So let's continue. And guys, if there is someone who has missed the previous sessions of this course, so I would suggest you one thing, that you can just watch the recordings available on this channel, that is Unacademy Live CSIR UGC Net, so that you will get to know about all the important points I have discussed on this channel till now. Clear? So let's start the discussion, guys. And if you will have any doubt, any question, you can just comment about it and I will consider your question. Clear? So there is a one question by Mehboob Alam, that is गेट के थ्रू कहाँ कहाँ PhD कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो गाइज ये डिपेंड करता है कि कहाँ कहाँ कौन कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट्स आपको अलाउ करते हैं विद गेट. ठीक है. तो जब PhD के फॉर्म्स आते हैं ना, तो आप वो फॉर्म्स को चेक करेंगे, वहाँ पर आपको मेंशन मिलेगा क्योंकि गेट स्कोर कार्ड है ना अगर आपके पास, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई देयर और इंटरव्यू के लिए आप एलिजिबल हैं. ठीक है. तो मेनली IITs भी अलाउ करती हैं. तो इवन लाइक इन द IITs अलॉन्ग विद दैट बाकी भी इंस्टीट्यूट्स होंगे, तो आप उनका जो PhD के लिए नोटिफिकेशन आए या जो भी आपका अप्लाई करने के लिए फॉर्मेट होगा, ठीक है, उसमें आप एक बार रीड कर लीजिएगा एलिजिबिलिटी क्या मांगी है, और उसके साथ साथ आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. सो मेनली मोस्ट ऑफ द IITs अलाउ यू फॉर दैट, बट स्टिल यू कैन गो थ्रू देयर नोटिफिकेशन वंस. वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग आर्यभट्ट. नाउ गाइज नेक्स्ट, हाँ, वेरी गुड उत्तराखंड अल्मोड़ा. सो महबूब आलम, Uttarakhand Almora has also answered your question. Clear? It's like mentioned the same thing. Now guys, let's talk about our questions which we are going to consider today. So now today mainly I'm going to start the discussion with the GATE previous year questions related to the contour integration. Okay, because now GATE exam is also very close and just few days are there. So let's start the discussion about the contour integration questions from the GATE physics exam. And let's consider this fact that what kind of questions have been asked. Okay, now guys, many students have asked about this thing, that what kind of questions we should prepare for GATE, or what topics we should prepare. So basically one topic which is very, very, very important is this one, which is contour integration. Clear? So every student should focus on it. And guys, sometimes what happens, students know about this thing, that this topic is important, but still they try to know about this thing, that okay, what else, what else, what else. Instead of doing that thing, if you even know the 10 most important topics and you have till now prepared them, because now you are having very less time before your exam, so I would say whatever you have prepared, try to make a command on those things. Okay, that will give you more better results. Okay, now let's have a look at our first question. At any point of time, if you will have any queries or any doubt, or you want to ask anything, you can just comment about it and I will consider that. Okay. So this question is from GATE 2010 exam. Clear? So the question was, the value of the integration over the closed contour C e to the power z sin z upon z square dz. This is the integration you need to find, where the contour C is the unit circle, where contour C is the unit circle for which the equation has also been given to us, which is mod z minus 2 is equal to 1. Clear? So C has been defined like this, that is the contour. Okay, so this integration you need to find. Options are 2 pi iota, option B is 4 pi iota, then option C pi iota, and option D is 0. Okay, so guys, in the starting I will give you all a little time to solve this question, and in just some time I will start the discussion. So we are going to consider different questions. Okay, very good morning Mohammad Riyaj. I'm good, how are you? Clear? Very good Uttarakhand Almora. Let's wait for everybody's reply and everybody's answer. And guys, we are waiting for you. So whenever you will get the answer, you can just mention it in the comments. Okay. And at the end, I will let you know which option is correct. And whatever you are getting, okay, I hope you all have watched the previous sessions, because there I have talked about the steps and all the important points regarding contour integration. And now we are just going to apply those things in this, all the questions we are going to discuss today. That's very good, Mohammad Riyaj. Very good, Ankita. So guys, 2 answers till now. Uttarakhand Almora is saying option D is correct. Ankita is also saying option D is correct. Let's see what others are getting. Even if you are getting some other option, you can tell me about it. And at the end, I'm going to talk about this, that what are the steps, and each and everything we will mention or discuss clearly. Okay. So after this session, you will be able to solve any question of this kind. Don't worry about anything then. Very good, Aryabhat. Okay, 3 answers till now. We are waiting for you guys. Even if you are getting any other option, it's okay. At the end, we will finalize the correct answer. So you can just let me know which option is correct according to you. Very good, Mohammad Riyaj. Okay, now we are having total 4 answers. So 4 students have replied. That's very good, guys. Some more time and I'm going to start the discussion, okay? That's very good, Uttarakhand Almora. Yes, Shashank, I will solve, I will discuss, don't worry. Okay, let's start. Clear? So guys, have a look at this. If you are someone who is facing any difficulty in solving this, don't worry, because you can have a good command on this topic. But I will also suggest you one thing, that before this today's session, okay, I have conducted 3 sessions about the contour integration. The first session was this thing, that axial contour integration. Okay, the name of the first session is axial contour integration. Clear? So if you have not watched that one, you can watch it. It is like in January itself. So if you have not prepared or watched that session, you can watch the recording available on this channel. Second session is named as New Year Resolution. Clear? So that is based on New Year resolution, but I have discussed the important points there as well. Third is part 3 of the contour integration. Clear? So you can even watch that one. So these 3 sessions already conducted on this channel. If you have missed that, if you have not attended those live classes, you can watch their recordings. Okay, and today is the part 4. Clear? So this is how the sessions are going on, and tomorrow will be part 5 at 8:30 AM on this channel, that is Unacademy Live CSIR UGC net. Now guys, let's talk about it. See, what are the steps we take to solve any question of contour integration? Basic steps are, step number 1, find the poles. Clear? So how we find the poles? Poles are the values of z, which are finite values of z, which can make our function infinity. Clear? So generally what we do to find the poles, we equate the denominator with 0. So when you will equate the denominator with 0 of this function, because if the denominator will become 0, your function will become infinity. Clear? So that's why generally most of the times to find the poles, what we do, we equate the denominator with 0. So what is the pole we are getting? So pole in this question is z is equal to 0, because when you will equate z square with 0, you will get z is equal to 0 as the pole. Clear? Now the thing is, can I directly write it, or is it the order 2 pole or order 1 pole? Okay, so in this case we are going to consider it. आर्यभट्ट आई थिंक प्लेलिस्ट सेपरेट बनी हुई है, ठीक है. अगर आप इस चैनल में चेक करेंगे ना प्लेलिस्ट में, तो आपको एक प्लेलिस्ट उसमें मिलेगा बाय अंजलि अरोरा, ठीक है. तो उसमें आपको सेशंस मिल जाएंगे, तो आप प्लेलिस्ट में चेक कर सकते हैं. सो गाइस, दिस z इज इक्वल टू 0 इफ आई एम गोइंग टू कंसीडर दिस पोल. ओके, व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस पोल? इफ यू विल कंसीडर इट फ्रॉम हियर एंड इफ यू विल राइट द सीरीज ऑफ साइन z, ठीक है. तो साइन z की सीरीज क्या होती है? बेसिकली z minus z cube upon factorial 3, okay, plus z to the power 5 upon factorial 5 and so on to. So I'm telling you about the points even which you may not have to use here, but these are the points related to this question. Okay, so we should know that if any time later on we are getting any question of this kind, we should be careful about this thing, that when sign is present in the numerator and just z is present in the denominator, we can simplify it. We can cancel that z. Clear? So if you will write this sin z series, you can take z common from here. You can see इसमें क्या है, z सारे टर्म्स में है, तो एक z ना आप सारे टर्म्स में से कॉमन ले सकते हैं. And when you will take the z common, then it will get cancelled out with the denominator 1. So you can even consider after simplifying it that z is equal to 0 is a simple pole. But it depends कि आप इसको simplify करते हैं या नहीं. If you will simplify it, then it will become a simple pole. Now the next thing, z is equal to 0 pole. Is this existing within the given contour or not? Clear? So what is the contour here? Contour is a circle for which the center is at z is equal to 2. Contour is a circle for which the center is at z is equal to 2. Clear? Or generally, if you are having the equation of the circle given to you, that is mod z minus a is equal to r. So this mod term, if you will equate with 0, it tells you about the center of the circle. So z is equal to a is a center of the circle. That means from here what I am getting, z is equal to 2. Clear? So let's say this is z is equal to 2 point, which is center of the circle, and this is representing the radius. Clear? So z is equal to 1 is the radius. That means 1 unit radius, and if I will draw this circle, it will be something like this. Okay, it is not looking like exactly the circle, but you will consider it. It is a circle. Done. So this point will be 1, this point will be 3, because the radius was 1 unit. Clear? Now the point is the pole which I have got. Here it's not affecting anything whether it is order 1 pole or order 2 pole, because here the pole z is equal to 0 is not existing within the contour. When z is equal to 0 pole is not lying within the contour, what it means? It means you will not find the residue on this pole, because as per the Cauchy's residue theorem, we are having the statement that is the integration over any closed contour. Okay, so integration over any closed contour is equal to 2 pi iota into sum of residue at the poles which are lying within the contour. Okay, which are lying within the contour. Okay, so guys, in this case what will happen? The pole is not within the contour, so no residue which we will find with the pole which is existing within the contour, so that means it is 0. So when it is 0, our answer is 0, because no pole was lying within the contour. So option D is correct. Clear? So is this clear to everyone? If yes, that's very good. If no, you can let me know where is the doubt. Okay. Vidya, I would say H.K. Das will be the good, like a book by H.K. Das will be good. Okay, and you will be able to understand each and everything clearly, because the language of that book is very good and easy to understand. So that's a good book. Yes, Uttarakhand Almora. Okay, so this question is also from GATE exam, which is GATE 2010. Now guys, let me know, is there any doubt anybody is having in this question? If yes, let me know about it. If no, let's talk about our next question. Is there any doubt? I think no doubt. Okay, no message regarding doubt. Okay, that's good. Let's talk about our next question. Clear? Very good, Arun. Next question again from the GATE exam first. So guys, the next question from the GATE 2011 exam. Okay, so next is going to be from GATE 2011. You can see how frequently the questions have been asked. So that's why this is one of the topics from which you can expect even one or more than one questions. Clear? The question is, consider a counterclockwise circular contour. Okay, consider a counterclockwise. Counterclockwise means what? Anti-clockwise. Okay, consider a counterclockwise, okay, circular contour which is having the equation mod z is equal to 1 about the origin. So yeah, this equation itself is telling us that it is about the origin. Next, you need to find the integration, okay, over this contour for the function fz. And options are now guys, you can try it once and let me know according to you which option is correct. Why r is 0? Shashank, r in the previous question. आर्यभट्ट, इज देयर एनी डाउट? प्रेजेंट करो पोल को इसी सर्कल में. अच्छा, इसी सर्कल में वो नहीं हो सकता. देखिए z इज इक्वल टू 0 सर्कल के अंदर एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन में नहीं हो सकता. और बाकी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जिसमें पोल कंटूर में एग्जिस्ट कर रहा था, ठीक है, वो हमने प्रीवियस सेशंस में भी डिस्कस किए हैं और आज भी और क्वेश्चंस जब हम कंसीडर करेंगे ना तो उनमें आएगा, देन आई विल डिस्कस. ठीक है, वेरी गुड उत्तराखंड अल्मोड़ा. यस शशांक, रेडियस सी. अच्छा, रेजिड्यू 0 क्यों है शशांक? आई थिंक यू आर आस्किंग फॉर दिस, व्हाई आर इज 0. सी, रेजिड्यू वी फाइंड ऑन द पोल्स. क्लियर? सो रेजिड्यू किस पे फाइंड करते हैं? पोल पे. एंड इन दिस केस द पोल इज आउटसाइड द कंटूर and we find the residue at those poles which are lying or existing within the contour. So this pole was not existing within the contour, due to which the residue will be 0, because you are not getting any pole present within the contour. Okay, if pole will be within the contour, then there are formulae to find the residues on different poles, whether simple pole, order n pole. Okay, so those formulae I have discussed in the starting sessions as well. तो इस केस में मेन रीजन क्या है? क्योंकि पोल कंटूर में एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए रेजिड्यू क्या होगा? 0. बिकॉज रेजिड्यू कॉचीज रेजिड्यू थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंग हम सिर्फ उन्हीं पोल्स पर फाइंड करेंगे जो कि कंटूर के अंदर एग्जिस्ट करें. ओके, वेरी गुड उत्तराखंड अल्मोड़ा. इज दैट क्लियर शशांक? एंड टू एवरीवन गाइज, still if you will have any doubt in the previous question, you can tell me about it. And guys, let me know the answer for this question once you will get it. Otherwise, in just some time, I'm going to start the discussion. And similarly, I'm going to consider like more questions from previous years. So one by one, whatever type of questions from the contour integrations have been asked, we are going to consider them. So guys, just try this one. Okay. And yeah, if anybody is here who has not watched the previous sessions, I would suggest you that watch them, because the basics of this topic will get clear to you. Okay. After this session, you can just watch those recordings. Okay. Very good Reenu, very good Uttarakhand Almora. So guys, 2 answers till now. Let's wait for others. Very good Shashank. Very good Somnath. Okay, 2 different answers, option B and option D. Clear? So it's okay, I will talk about it, which one is correct. So I have received 2 different answers from your side till now, option B and D. Clear? So let's have a look which one will be correct. In just some time I will start the discussion. Let's wait for others' answer as well. Very good Ankita. So guys, 2 students have mentioned option D as the correct answer. Okay, 2 students are saying this till now and 3 students are saying option B. So this is having 3 votes and this is just having 2 votes. Okay, so 3 and 2. Okay, it is having now +1, that means 4 votes for option B and 2 votes for option D. Clear? Now let's have a look at this thing, that which option is correct, option B or option D. So basically, if somebody is getting option D right now, somebody is getting option B, that means in the exam also there are chances that you can get any one of these options. Okay, so those little mistakes can be there, due to which the answer is getting changed. Let's observe it, where is that mistake and which option is correct actually. Clear? So let's talk about it. So guys, our question is integration over the closed contour C z sine z upon z minus pi whole square. Okay, now Somnath is voting for option B. So Somnath is saying option B is correct. That means it is just having 1 vote now, and this is having 5. Clear? Next, so here we are having this integration which we need to find, and the contour is a circle having this equation. Clear? Now let's talk about it, guys. What will be the steps we will take? Step number 1, most of the times when we are solving any question of contour integration, our step 1 is to find the poles. We will find the poles. How we find the poles? Poles are the points or the values, finite values of z, which can make the function infinity. So what will be the pole which we will get in this case? That will be z is equal to pi, which we are getting after equating the denominator with 0. And what is the order of this pole? Order of this pole is 2, because the overall power is 2 here. Clear? After this, is this pole existing within the contour? This is the next thing we need to check in any contour integration based questions. Step 1 is find the poles. Just pole is that finite value of z which can make your function infinity, and generally you find it by equating the denominator with 0. Step number 2 is just to check this thing, that whether this pole is existing within the contour or not. What is the contour here? Contour is a circle having the center at the origin, because I can write it like this. Okay, so center of the circle is at the origin. That means z is equal to 0. And what is the radius? Radius is 1 units. Clear? So if I will draw this circle, it's going to be like this. Center as the origin of this, or center of the circle is at the origin, and radius is 1 unit. So this will be the way how we are going to draw this circle. Clear? 1 unit radius. After this, guys, what is the pole we have got? Pole is pi. So when we are discussing it in terms of just the normal digits or the numbers, we are not dealing with the angle. Angle means like theta, okay, or 180 degrees. So here what you will do? You are going to consider pi as 3.14, because anybody can have this doubt that why I am not considering pi as 180 degrees, because here you are just considering the numbers, the digits. Clear? So it's 3.14. Now 3.14 will exist somewhere here. Is this within the contour? No, it is not within the contour. So this pole is not existing within the contour, due to which I will not find the residue on it, and due to which the residue at this pole z is equal to pi for this given function will be equal to 0, because this pi is not existing within the contour. Now integration over the closed contour will be equal to 2 pi iota into the sum of residue at the poles which are lying within the contour. So it will be 0, because no pole is existing within the contour. So that's why option B is correct. Okay, and Ankita has already mentioned option B. Clear? So that's very good, guys. Nobody is saying option D. Everybody is saying option B is correct. Clear? So I hope that this will be clear to you, that how we are reaching to the final answer. If still anybody is having any doubt, you can just let me know about it, and we will talk about that point. Let's talk about our next question. If you are having any doubt, you can just tell me about that. Okay. Next question is from the GATE 2013 exam. Clear? And guys, if you are having any doubts in the previous question, you can just mention it. Yes, Shashank, we are doing many more questions, not just one more, many more. Clear? So don't worry. I'm writing just the next one. This is from GATE 2013. The question is, for the function fz is equal to 16z upon z plus 3 into z minus 1 whole square. Clear? The residue at the pole z is equal to 1 is, you need to find the residue of this function at z is equal to 1 pole. Okay. Now the point is, since when we are talking about the contour integration, okay, the poles or the residues play a very important role in that. So sometimes when we are having this kind of question, even we will consider them as a part of the contour integration topic. Okay, so now you need to find the answer. It was the NAT type question, so you need to tell me the exact answer which you are getting, and your answer should be an integer. Okay, so this will be an integer. This condition has been mentioned there. Just try it once and let me know what you are getting. Your answer should be an integer. The question is, for this function, find the residue of this function at z is equal to 1 pole. Okay. And as we all know, in GATE we get the NAT based questions, okay, numerical answer type. So this is one of them. Okay, Uttarakhand Almora is getting 8. So Shashank is getting 4. Okay, so I'm going to just make the options with your answers. Clear? Because it's not having the options, but you are getting different answers. So I will make it like this: A 8, B 4, or let's wait for others answer as well. Then at the end we will finalize which one is correct. Waiting for more. Usha is also getting 8. So 2 votes for this till now. Somnath is also getting 8. So 3 votes for this. And that's very good, guys, because you all have tried. That's very good. Okay, Ankita and Shashank are saying 4. So 2 votes for this. Aryabhat is getting 8. So that means 1 more for this. So it's going to have 4 votes. But let's check which one is correct. Clear? So can I start the discussion? Arun is getting 8. 0. So I'm going to mention your answer here. Clear? So guys, I hope that you all have focused on this thing, that you just need to find the residue. We are having 3 different answers which all of you are getting. Clear? So that means we need to work on the contour integration more, because all the answers are different, and let's see whether any one of these is correct or not. Clear? So let's start the discussion. Guys, first of all, what they have mentioned, they have already given us the pole, which is z is equal to 1. Clear? From this function, if I am going to observe it, from this term, I will get the z is equal to 1 pole. Okay. Now the point is, since I just want to get the residue, so for residue, I should know about this thing, that what is the order of the pole. So order of this pole is 2. Clear? So what is the order of this pole? That is 2. Now the point is, since they have already given, I just need to work on the residue formula. Clear? But I have to consider this fact, that which formula I will use. Okay. Now guys, okay. So Uttarakhand Almora is saying 12 now. We are having all the 4 different options, or even the option number 5, that is 3. Reenu is saying 3, which I think is the correct answer. So very good, Reenu. Clear? Now guys, let's solve it right here and let's check whether 3 is correct or something else is correct. Clear? See, now guys, here order 2 pole. So guys, if you have watched all the sessions of contour integration which I have conducted, I hope that you all know about it, that for the order n pole, for finding the residue of any function at that particular pole, let's say z is equal to a is an order n pole, the formula is 1 upon factorial n minus 1 dn minus 1 dz n minus 1 z minus a to the power n and Fz. Okay, so this is the formula for finding the residue at the order n pole. Okay, n is what? N can be greater than z is equal to a naught n. N will be greater than 1. ओके दैट मीन्स जब भी ऑर्डर 1 से ज़्यादा पोल हो ना, पोल का ऑर्डर 1 से ज़्यादा हो, तो आपको ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना होता है, ठीक है. या वी आर ऑल्सो हैविंग द अदर वन विच इज़ लाइक एज पर द सीरीज एक्सपेंशन, बट राइट नाउ सिंस द क्वेश्चन इज अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन and we are not focusing on that series that we will find the coefficient of 1 upon t, so we are going to prefer this formula here. Clear? Now what was the order of our pole which we are getting in this question or we are considering? So order was 2, which is greater than 1. Clear? So that means n is equal to 2 in this case. Order is equal to 2. Clear? And what is the pole? That means z is equal to 1 is the pole. Clear? That is already mentioned here. Z is equal to 1 is the pole at which you need to find the residue. Let's work on the formula. So formula says 1 upon factorial n minus 1, that means factorial 2 minus 1. Clear? Because order 2 pole was there, that is z is equal to 1. Then d n minus 1, that means d 2 minus 1 upon dz n minus 1, which means dz 2 minus 1. In place of n I am putting 2. And in place of pole, that is a, I will put 1. Clear? Next, z minus a, that means z minus 1 to the power n. What is the order? 2. Fz, what is fz? Fz is this function, which is 16z upon z plus 3 into z minus 1 whole square. Clear? So that's how I am getting this expression. And when I am going to solve it more, this will get cancelled out with this term. At the end I just need to do the differentiation once. Clear? So 1 upon factorial 1 will be just 1 upon 1, and then d upon dz of this function, which is 16z upon z plus 3. I can even take 16 outside, but right now since I have already mentioned it here, let's keep it here. Next, if I am going to do this differentiation, what I will get? D by dz of, because 16 is a constant, I can write it here, z upon z plus 3, and then the value at z is equal to 1. Now guys, what will happen? 16. When I am going to use the formula for this kind of, where a and b are not constant, what is the formula? Denominator square, then denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator, okay, minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator, that's b. Clear? So this is the formula for differentiation. Let's use it here. It will become z plus 3 whole square, then keep the denominator as it is and do the differentiation of numerator, you will get 1. Clear? Minus numerator as it is, denominator differentiation will give you just 1. Clear? So this is what you are getting, and then put z is equal to 1 at the end. 16 into, when you will put z is equal to 1, 4 4 is a 16, minus 1 upon 3 4 plus 4, again 16, okay, square. So it's going to be something what we are getting just now. Is it clear till this point, or if there is any doubt, you can just let me know about it. So we are getting 15 upon 16. Are we getting 15 upon 16? Let me just check. A plus b, I think I just need to check it once. And guys, even if you are getting something somewhere like, which is, oh, I have taken the square here, that's why it's wrong. Clear? It will not be a square, it's just the denominator we need to consider here. Clear? So it will just be 4. Is that fine? It will just be 4. Clear? And after this, all the very best शशांक. हाँ, z plus 3 का स्क्वायर नहीं आएगा, z plus 3 सिंपल ऐसे ही रहेगा, ठीक है. और बाकी पॉइंट्स, बाकी कहीं पर आर यू गेटिंग समथिंग जो चेंज करना है? still 16 into after making it 4, is there any other place where you want me to make the changes? Or I have to just go through all this process again? One more thing guys, we have considered z, ठीक है, ये वाला z तो हमने consider किया है. फिर denominator का square, denominator as it is, numerator, फिर numerator and denominator का differentiation. Oh right, z is equal to 1. When I will put, it will be 4 square. ठीक है, तो yeah, it will be 4 square. That's correct. Now we have just considered 16, जहाँ पे आना चाहिए 4, है ना, अभी correct है. तो अभी क्या हो जाएगा, 16 into 3 upon 16, which will get cancel out and we will just get 3. Okay, so sometimes you can see the thing is in front of us and we are just putting something else in place of that. तो ऐसी भी गलती हो जाती है, ठीक है, तो avoid that part as well. Done. So is this clear to everyone now? And guys, also try not to make this kind of mistake that something is in front of you and you are just putting something else. Clear? And it's general, like anybody can make this kind of mistakes, but we should avoid, we should be careful. Okay, now is this clear to everyone now that correct answer is 3 and how we are getting it? So just put the limits at the end and you will get 3 easily. Clear? Clear, clear, clear. Done. If you will have any doubt, you can tell me about it, or if you want me to repeat it once, then also you can tell me about that. So only 3 is correct. So you have to be careful about this thing, that what order pole is there. And अच्छा, आपकी भी यही mistake हुई थी. Okay, so you will be careful about it next time. ठीक है? So it's common. मतलब it's not like this that it's just only with you or only I'm doing the same thing. It's with everyone. But when we will be focused and we will focus on these little things, तो नहीं होगी mistake. ठीक है? Let's do next question. And guys, if you are having any doubt at any place, you can please let me know about it. Okay. Next question. From GATE 2014 exam. And guys, the formula of contour integration and the residue, every formula, the basic one and all the different types of questions I have discussed in the previous classes. That's why I am just suggesting you कि अगर आपने basics नहीं देखा हो ना, तो उसको एक बार देखिएगा तीनों sessions को, because it will get clear to you. Okay, and if you have already watched, that's very good. You know about all the basics and all the different types of questions. Then you can directly just start doing these questions. Clear? So now from GATE 2014, we are having this question, which is just a second, it's z square, eraser, options are this is 4 pi cube I, then 4 pi square I. You can start doing this question. Once you will get the answer, you can tell me about it, that according to you, which option is correct. Somnath, if you are just starting your preparation for mathematical, I would say a book by H.K. Das, that is good for you. Clear? Otherwise, like you can even Aryabhat, this class, YouTube के जो sessions है ना, इनकी PDF सेपरेट नहीं होती है, स्पेशल क्लासेस में आपको मिल जाती है या प्लस कोर्सेज की क्लासेस में मिलती है, ठीक है, बट ये YouTube के सेशंस में आई थिंक नहीं. क्लियर? तो इसमें रिकॉर्डिंग्स मिलती है आपको, आप सेशंस के रिकॉर्डिंग्स को देख सकते हैं YouTube इसी चैनल पर, विच इज़ एक्सक्यूज मी, अनअकैडमी लाइव CSIR UGC नेट, इसमें आपको रिकॉर्डिंग्स मिल जाएंगी, ठीक है. एंड यू आर ऑल्सो आस्किंग फॉर PDA प्ले लिस्ट, तो लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू अबाउट इट. हाँ, प्ले लिस्ट सेक्शन में अगर आप चेक करेंगे सो यू विल गेट फिजिकल साइंसेस विद अंजलि अरोरा, ठीक है. तो आपको वो प्ले लिस्ट मिल जाएगी, प्ले लिस्ट में वेयर यू कैन चेक माई सेशंस. और चेक कर लीजिएगा अगर कुछ लेटेस्ट सेशन है जैसे ये वाला है, वो अगर आपको वहाँ नहीं मिलता है तो आप चैनल पे डायरेक्टली भी वीडियोस में चेक कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो गाइस, टुमारो ऑल्सो एट 8:30 AM वी आर हैविंग द लाइव सेशन एंड डे आफ्टर टुमारो एज वेल, ठीक है. तो आज है, कल भी है, परसों भी है, और उसके बाद की डेट्स भी मैंने आपके साथ शेयर कर दी हैं. तो जिस जिस दिन हमारी स्पेशल क्लास है ना, उस दिन हमारी यहाँ पर 8:30 AM लाइव क्लास भी है, ठीक है. और दोनों जगह टॉपिक्स और सब्जेक्ट्स आपका अलग अलग रहेगा. सो इफ पॉसिबल अटेंड द लाइव क्लासेस. And guys, once you will get the answer, please let me know which option is correct according to you. No answer till now. Okay, one answer is there. Aryabhat is saying option A is correct. So one vote for this. And very good, Aryabhat. Next, guys, I'm waiting for more reply and more answers. What you are getting, you can even let me know. Okay, Uttarakhand Almora is getting option D as correct. So one vote for this question, this option. Two answers till now, just Aryabhat and Uttarakhand Almora has mentioned the options which are correct according to them. Okay, so guys, even if you are getting anyone, you can let me know that which option is correct. Only two answers till now. Okay, I think we should start the discussion. So now we are going to start the discussion. Let's talk about it, guys. See, again, whenever we are having contour integration based question, our first step is to find the poles. Clear? And to find the poles, what we are going to do? We are going to equate the denominator with 0. So let's do our step 1 here. Okay, so that is find the poles. First, when you will find the poles, you are just going to equate the denominator 0 with 0. Clear? Arun if you don't know about the this thing that how to find the poles in this case, okay, I am going to tell you. Okay, तो देखिए इसमें भी process वही रहती है. क्या करना है आपने, that you just need to equate the denominator with 0. When you will equate the denominator with 0, what you will get? You will get e to the power z is equal to minus 1. Okay, now here we also need to know about one more thing, that we all know e to the power, okay, iota theta is equal to what? Cos theta plus iota sin theta. Okay, and in this case when I want to make it, मतलब अगर मैं इधर भी एक्सपोनेंशियल लिखूँ और दोनों को कंपेयर कर दूँ तो मुझे इजीली z की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी ना. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई विल डू. क्लियर. सो e टू द पावर आयोटा पाई और e टू द पावर आयोटा odd multiple of pi, that will give me what? Cos odd pi, okay, odd value pi plus iota sin odd value pi. Okay, so that will give me what? Minus 1. क्योंकि cos pi भी minus 1 होता है और odd multiple of pi अगर आप cos के साथ लें तो वो आपको हमेशा minus 1 देगा. ठीक है. अब बात आती है कि how I can represent odd. I know that I just need to take I e to the power iota odd pi. So I can write it as e to the power iota 2n plus 1 pi. Clear? Where n is what? N is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on to. Now why I have represented it with 2n plus 1? Because अगर आप check करें, if you will check this thing, 2n plus 1, when you are going to put 0, you will get 1. When you are going to put 1, you will get 3. When you are going to put 2, you will get 5. So you are getting odd values every time. And guys, e to the power iota odd pi will be minus 1. So just to represent odd, we take the notation 2n plus 1. Clear? Now in this case, what will happen? Our pole z will be equal to what? Z will be equal to iota 2n plus 1 pi. So how many poles we are getting from here? Just a second guys, let me just take a new slide, and on that slide then I will just write more things. ठीक है, एक second. See, so यहाँ तक we have just got to know about the value of z. We have just got to know about the value of z, and how we have reached to this point. I have discussed it with you. So what is the pole you are getting? Z is equal to iota 2n plus 1 pi. When you will put the values of n 0, 1, 2, 3, you will get z is equal to iota pi, 3 iota pi, 5 iota pi. Clear? So these are what? And so on to. These are the poles which you are getting. All these are the poles. But the thing is, our contour is defined like this, which is mod z is equal to 4, which means a circle having the center at the origin, that means at 0, and radius 4 units. So when I will draw this circle, I will have it like this. Radius 4 units, clear, and radius at center at origin, clear. So everywhere like radius 4 units you can just show. Next thing, in this circle, which of these poles will exist? This is 3.14 iota. Iota is representing, it will be somewhere in the on the imaginary axis. This is representing 3 into 3.14 iota. That means 3 3 is a 9, approximately somewhere 9, close to 9. Okay? So this will be outside the contour. We will not consider this pole, we will not consider this pole, we will only consider this pole which is existing within the contour. Clear? So only one pole is existing within the contour. Now guys, here in this question you will also learn one more thing. Excuse me, one more vote for option A. Renu is saying option A is correct. So plus 1. Next, whenever the exponential will be include or exponential will be present in any given function, and if simple pole is existing there, clear, then in most of the cases we prefer to use the residue formula to find the residue of the function at simple pole, which is this one, phi z upon psi dash z, okay, and the value of z at the pole. So whenever if simple pole is existing. Okay, मैंने आपको जब मैंने previous classes में discuss किया है different formula for residue, I think there also I have mentioned this thing, clear? But here also I am telling you one thing, that in most of the cases it becomes easy for us to solve this kind of question if the simple pole is existing. So you can see overall power of this term was 1. That means pole was simple pole and exponential is present here. So in the function, if the exponential will be present, we prefer to use this one. It's not like this that you will not get the answer by using the other formula. You may get it, but it will be complicated if you are going to use other formulae. Clear? So whenever exponential is present in our function, we prefer to use this formula to find the residue at the simple pole. So here also I will prefer to use this one. According to this formula, conditions I have discussed, that the numerator value at the pole should not be equal to 0 and the denominator's value at the pole should be 0. This condition and all the other important conditions are there in the previous sessions of contour integration. If you have not attended that, if you have not watched those 3 sessions before this session, you can watch them, and after that you will feel like you know everything about the contour integration. Clear? Next thing. So let's find the residue at that pole which is existing within the contour, which is just iota pi. And as I have told you, exponential is present, so we are going to use this formula, which is numerator as it is, denominator differentiation, and the value of the z you will put at the end equal to pole. Clear? So you can see I have kept the numerator as it is. Phi z means numerator as it is. Denominator's differentiation, when you will do the differentiation of denominator, it will become e to the power z. Okay, and then find its value at the pole, which is z is equal to iota pi. Okay, so it will give you iota square pi square upon e to the power iota pi. E to the power iota pi means minus 1. Clear? And iota square means minus 1 and pi square. So what we are getting from here, we are just getting pi square. Clear? This is the residue. Now if we want to get the integration, we know that the integration is 2 pi iota into sum of residue at the poles which are existing within the contour. So 2 pi iota into residue is pi square. So this will become 2 pi square iota, pi cube iota. Clear? So this is 2 pi cube iota, which is present in this much, which is present in option pi cube iota. Is there anything like 2 pi cube iota? Okay, one more thing guys, here I need to consider one more thing. What is that? See, if I am saying e to the power iota pi is going to be minus 1, along with that e to the power minus iota pi will also be what? E to the power minus iota pi will also give us minus 1, because we all know cos theta and equal to cos minus theta. Clear? Because it is even function. So if I am saying that iota pi is the pole, that means plus iota pi and minus iota pi, both we need to consider. Okay, at one I have already got this answer, at the other, which is minus iota pi, which will also be within the contour. Okay, so at that also you will get the value of the denominator minus 1. Okay, if you are going to equate it with this minus 1, so minus iota pi will also be there. Clear? Now in this case, what will happen guys, when you will get the residue of the function at z is equal to minus iota pi pole, by using the same steps, by following the same process, you will get pi square for that as well. Okay, similarly you will get pi square. So it will be two residues which you will get, pi square plus pi square, which will give you 2 pi square. So 2 pi square into 2 pi iota will give you 4 pi cube iota. And now your answer will also be present in the options, which is option C. Okay, so you have to be careful about this thing. It is the odd function or even function, or it is giving you the same value. Okay, so here even if you are considering e to the power plus I pi iota pi, not okay, or minus iota pi, this will give you the value minus 1, and that's why you need to consider both the poles, which are plus iota pi and minus iota pi, and then you are getting two residues, and just take the sum of residues here, which are pi square plus pi square, and you will get 4 pi cube iota. Done? So which is option C, which is correct. Otherwise, if I was getting 2 pi cube iota, it was not present in the options as well. Clear? Let me know, is everything clear to everyone? Okay. Done? Is this clear till this point to everyone, like all the steps? I'm just going to summarize. Step 1, find the poles. Step 2, okay, if exponential function is there, you can prefer to find the residue at the poles if the exponential is present by using this formula. Clear? Next step, be careful whether the plus pi, iota pi and the minus iota pi both are giving you the same answer or not. Clear? Next thing, just find the integration by using the Cauchy's residue theorem. And very good, Reenu. And guys, what about others? Is this clear to everyone? If yes, that's very good. If no, you can let me know about your doubt. And even if you will have any doubt, tomorrow also we are having the live session at 8:30 a.m. on this channel, that is Unacademy Live CSIR UGC net, tomorrow and day after tomorrow as well. For other classes, the schedule is like this. I'm just telling you about the dates when we will have the live classes on this channel, that is Unacademy Live CSIR UGC net. So guys, on 8th January, that is today, on 9th January, then on 10th January at 8:30 a.m. we will have the live classes here, and at 10 a.m. we are having these special classes. For both these classes, the title, the topic, the subjects will be different. Clear? For special classes, you can see, okay, we are having the classical mechanics sessions, and for these live classes we are having mathematical physics sessions. Clear? So don't miss the classes, guys. And if you want to attend all these live classes, you can attend the live classes here at 8:30 a.m. and on these special classes on Unacademy learning app at 10 a.m. So after this class, we are having a live class, okay, on Unacademy Live, Unacademy Plus, okay, at 8th January at 10 a.m. Then 9th, then 10th January. After 10th January, on 15th January, we will have the live class here at 8:30 a.m. and a special class at 10 a.m. So dates will remain same. Clear? So for whole like complete month, January month, I have mentioned the schedule here. Still, if you will have any doubt, you can tell me about it. Yes, Aryabhat, if you will observe this thing in that question, so it's like e to the power z plus 1 was present in the denominator. Clear? If you are equating it with 0, you are getting e to the power z is equal to minus 1. Now, even if you are considering e to the power plus minus, okay, iota 2n plus 1 pi in general, so it will give you minus 1 in both the cases. Plus iota pi and minus iota pi, both will give you minus 1 value. That means the poles are plus iota pi as well as minus iota pi both, okay, and that means you have to consider both the poles, okay. And when you will find the residue at both the poles, that will give you the residue that is equal to pi square, okay, and at the end you just need to include it. Done? So Aryabhat, is that clear? Also guys, these are the courses which are going on Unacademy Plus for your exam preparation. If you are someone who want to attend the live classes of all these ongoing courses on Unacademy Plus, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, okay. And if you will have any doubt at any point, you can even tell me about that. Also guys, these are the subscription amounts as per today for different durations, and whenever you will take the subscription, you can use this referral code, that is Anjali Arora, and apply it and get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Or as I have told you about the other one, you can use AnjaliALive, okay. So you can use any one, apply it and get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Clear? So that's how you can just get the subscription and get all these benefits after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription. And yes, the Plus courses will surely help you in your best preparation for the exam and will help you to take your preparation to the next level, okay. So if you are going to take the subscription, you can use the referral code, that is AnjaliALive, or the other one, okay, any one, apply them and get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Aryabhat, as I have solved the question, just let me show you that slide. So I'm just getting only one option correct. Clear? I'm not getting both correct. So even when you will work on it and you will solve it, you will also get just one option correct. Let me just show you that. See, when we have solved it, what we are getting as the final answer, 4 pi cube iota, okay, which is just present in one option, which is option C. Clear? So when you will work on it, you will just get one option correct, which is option C, okay. So do it once more. Still, if you will have any doubt, you can tell me about it. So guys, I hope that each and everything which I have discussed with you till now in today's session will be clear to everyone. But still, if you are having any doubt, you can tell me about it. And yeah, we'll talk about it in our next session then. tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. we are having another session. Then day after tomorrow also we are having next session. Okay, and after this class at 10 a.m. we are having a special class on the classical mechanics important topics. Okay, so even if you want to join these special classes, which are the free live classes, you can join these classes as well. Thank you very much everyone for joining this session. Thank you.